You're spending hours designing your website, tweaking the padding, fixing mobile views, picking fonts that kind of match, and after all that, your website, it looks kind of mid. We've all been there. Designing a website from scratch, it takes a lot of time. That time you could have easily spent doing something else, like finding more clients, making money, or maybe just playing video games. That's why me and my team, we built the Elite templates. These aren't your average website templates that you'll find floating around on the internet. These are agency level designed, pixel perfect, fully mobile responsive, built for real businesses that want to look legit. So I'll walk you through our templates, show you the kits, and we'll give you a freebie in this video, and I'll walk you through how to import it on your websites. Now, the first thing that you'll do is go to my website, darrylwilson.com, duh, right? You got to download them. And once you get here, you'll click on the Elite kits. Now, the Elite kits are standalone Elementor template kits, and these are the future of Elementor. Well, maybe not the future, right? I gotta tone it down a little bit. But what I'm trying to say here is that these template kits, they are very unique, they're very stylish, and we put a lot of work into each individual kits. Now, we have a total of about, 8 kits so far? Now, to give you a demonstration of each kit, this one right here is called AI Agent. So maybe if you're in the AI realm and you want to showcase some of your AI stuff to your clients, if the user scrolls down, each of these websites, they interact with the customer. So as the user scrolls, they're taken to this section where just things keep popping up. And overall, this is a very animated website. It has a bunch of things to engage with, and that's where everything's headed. People want more engaging websites. Today, Gen Z is more responsive to animated websites than just blank generic websites, as people have talked about. And scrolling down the page, you're gonna see the animations continue all the way until you get to the end. Now, there is a total of about, see how many pages there are. There's like 12 pages for each of these kits. So they're not the generic 5-page template kits. We give you a lot of pages in each kit. The next one is Kriegen. A really interesting landing page. We have these animations here when users move around, and we can see there's a variety of pages. And also we have Krivo, where if someone hovers over this, we have this really cool animation. And remember, every single kit has unique animations when you scroll down. This one here, we have this little image where we hover over it, has this really unique image, and of course you can add in your own images and make this look however you want. Scrolling down, the website interacts with the customer. I do like this look, and I feel like today the competition is getting harder and harder, so having more 3D animated websites, more interactive websites, it's definitely going to help you out get more clients. And the last one is Finfluence, and I'll be showing you how to import this one on your WordPress website for free. And I think your customers are going to have a lot of fun playing on your websites. And the last one is Arrow, where if we hover over the text, it has this really cool animation. And as we scroll down, images pop up to, engage with the user and just make you look a little bit more professional. So each of these kits are standalone kits that are available on my website, darrylwilson.com. Now, let me show you how to import one of these kits, just walk you through the process of how to import this on your websites. And then I'll walk you through the pricing at the end. So this one right here is the one that I'll be showing you how to import on your websites. So all you got to do is click on the kits, and we have a coupon code that will give you this template kit for free. So if you click on Add to Cart and go into the checkout page here under the billing details, you'll just put in your name and your email address. And then for the coupon code, if you enter the coupon code Orion and click on Apply, you'll see this is a completely free kit you can download on your websites. So here I'll go ahead and agree. Click on place order, and voila, now we have access to the kits. Now, once you download the kits, here you'll just go ahead and click on download, and this will allow you to download the actual zip. Then you'll see it downloads directly onto your desktop. Now, I'll be showing you how to import this on a blank website, so nothing is on it, and by the end of this video, you're gonna have a really nice looking kit on your new WordPress website. So let me walk you through how to do this. Now, in order to use the Elite kits, there are some requirements. Now, the first requirement is you need to have Elementor and Elementor Pro activated on your websites. The main reason why we use Elementor Pro is because we utilize the theme builder. So we create custom headers, footers, and we also create custom pages such as the 404 page, the search page, and a bunch of other pages using the theme builder. And that's what gives you access to so many pages. The next thing that we recommend is if you go over here to Appearance and click on Themes, we recommend the Hello Elementor theme. The main reason why, it's just a very plain vanilla theme that has nothing on it, and that's exactly what we want. So once you have those set up on your website, now let's go back to our folder. So over here, we have our Finfluence. Make sure that you do unzip this, and then you'll get this folder here. If we open this, you'll now see that we have 4 different files. We have the Elementor plugin, Finfluence JSON, the Elite kits, and then a README text. And you can read this on your own, and this will show you exactly how to do it step by step. But let me walk you through this. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to add the plugin to our websites. So going over here to add plugin, here I'll open up this, and then I'll click on upload plugin, choose the file, and now I want to upload the Elementor kit plugin. Here I'll click on open, then I'll click on install now. All right, now the next thing that we want to do is we want to enable a JSON file. Now, if you do this standalone with WordPress, it may not let you upload JSON files. So over here under add plugin, I'll click on add plugin, and then we're going to type in code. And I just want to install this code snippets. Click on install now. Now, if you don't know code, don't worry. You're just going to copy and paste like just 3 lines, and that is it. It just gives you the option to upload JSON files. So next I'll click on activate. Now in the video description, I placed this link in the video description, and all you got to do is take this and just paste it. So here I will copy this. This is actually our Help Scout documentation. It's also included in the README file just to help you out. But going back to our websites, I will then just paste that in there. All right, and then I'll click on save and activate. The next thing we're gonna do is we're now gonna upload that JSON file. So going over here to our media library, I'll click on add media file, select file, and then I just want to upload this one right here. I'll click on open, and there we go, we got the JSON file. Now the very last step that we're gonna do is we're now going to import the kit. So now we're basically ready to do everything. But before I do that, I just want to click on the JSON file, and I want to copy this URL. You'll understand in just a bit, but make sure that you do copy that URL. Next, let's go ahead and now import the kits. So to do that, we'll go over here to the, where's it? Elementor, editor. I think it's under settings. They keep moving around the options to import kits. I think it's under tools, my bad. We gotta click on tools. Here under website templates, I will now click on upload zip file, click to upload. And then I want to select this one right here. This is the Finfluence Elite Elementor template kits.zip. I'll click on open. Then you'll see what it imports. So we have the contents, the templates, and this is why we use the pro version, so you can use all of these features. And then it'll import the settings and configurations. So here at the bottom right, I'll click on import and apply. Now we'll just wait like 1 minute. All right, and just like that, the website is now live. Fingers crossed, let's see if this works. I'll click on see it live. And there we go. Now there is one thing missing, and that is the actual landing page text. And that's going to be a very common thing because remember how I told you to copy and paste that specific text? We're now going to insert it on the websites. So the first thing I want to do is click on Edit with Elementor, and then we'll click on the actual HTML text. And all we're going to do is now insert that link that we put in the media. So right here, I'm going to copy all this where it shows that link. And I'm going to now insert that new URL. Okay, there we go. And then I'll click on publish. All right, now let's take a look. So here I'll click on preview changes, and voila. Now you'll see that the text appears and we have this really cool looking animation on our website. Now, if we scroll down, you're gonna see a lot of things animated as well. And we actually designed this again from the ground up, and we incorporated all these animations onto the website. So when users scroll down, it has a really pleasant, fun experience. So if we actually look at the other pages, take a look at the services page, you're gonna see that everything imported correctly. So there we go, we got a really cool animation, and scrolling down, you'll see everything looks great, including this little view button, which looks pretty cool. So let's go back to our homepage. Now, the last thing I want to show you all before we talk about the pricing is how to customize the actual text. Now, since we're using HTML and we're using very advanced animations, if you want to actually change the text, all you got to do is adjust the JSON file. So over here, I will open this back up. And here we have the JSON file. So I'll just go ahead and drag this down here, and I'll double click on this. Now I am using an application called Visual Code Studio. So this one is the one I'm using right here. You can download this for free on their website and get access to it. Now, if you want to change the text on any of these kits, here I typed in smart, and you're gonna see that we have the actual text. So we have influence for modern brands, and all you gotta do is just adjust the text. So I'll put Daryl Wilson free templates, okay? And then I'll go over here, click on save as, and I'll just save this and I'll replace it. And then I'll just re-upload this. So going over here to our Google Chrome, I'll go over to our dashboard and I'll click on add media file. I will then upload that new one that we adjusted. So here under desktop, I'll just go ahead and upload that one. There we go. Yep. Okay. And in the media library, I'll just click on this link right here, copy to clipboard. So going over here, I'll just go ahead and quickly replace it like this. Okay. And then I'll click on publish. And there is the text, Daryl Wilson free templates. Now I know adjusting the text on the landing page is not the most intuitive, but it's the only part of the template where you're gonna have to do that. Everything else is gonna be simple and easy. So that is how you can import our Elementor template kits onto your websites. Now going back over here to our websites, clicking on the Elite Kits. Next, let's talk about pricing, everyone's favorite topic. Now, these are standalone Elementor template kits, and each of these kits costs $49. Now, we'll be giving you a 50% discount code that you'll only find in this video. If you enter the coupon code ELITE, you will save 50% off any of our kits. Now, one thing I want to mention is if you are a member of our subscription or our lifetime plan, these do not apply to our annual or our lifetime. Sorry, but we got to make money. So yeah, these are standalone products that you'll have to purchase independently from our membership. But I think that you'll really like it. We spent a lot of work designing these kits, and you're gonna come to find that we did a lot of work developing these kits. Now let's just go ahead and test one out here for mobile responsiveness. I'll just grab Cregan, Cregan, why not? We'll grab you. And if we actually minimize our window, you're gonna see that it's fully responsive. So here we go, computer, tablets, phone, scrolling down, you're gonna see that it's completely responsive for all devices, and you can test this out yourself. So that is our Elementor Elite Kits. If you want to go ahead and grab them, I will leave a link in the video description. I hope you guys do enjoy our kits. Me and my team, we spent actually a few weeks making these kits. There's only about 10 so far, but we plan to roll out more and more as we go. Also, make sure to give us feedback. If you want to see a specific kit or you want to see specific design, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. My name is Daryl Wilson, and I will see all of you party people later.